Hey guys, we're working on a 21 or actually a 22 Hyundai Santa Cruz here, doing a bumper. Want to do a little tutorial of it because there's a lot of hidden clips. For first step you want to do is pull off these fender liners here. There'll be a clip here, a couple clips here. Pop those guys off, and I believe a couple screws holding the bumper here, or they're actually held together by the clips. Then you'll pop that guy off. Of course, you'll have to take the tail lights off. Tail lights, 2 screws on the inside over here, and then they slide outward. These are the little slots they pop into. Yeah. Of course, wiring for it. You'll do the same thing to the driver's side. The main thing I wanted to make this video about is there's a bunch of clips. There's also going to be 2 clips that are held on to in these holes from the back side of this bumper. And another tip I wanted to give on this video is, if you're gonna get it, this bumper, I would recommend getting all the little pieces for it, as in the chrome piece, because this bumper is held together by so many little screws, and all of these little chrome tabs held in place into the plastic bumper. There's some even behind here, but all along this guy here, the whole entire bumper. I mean, the old one kind of got broken. I mean, if you're really careful, you can do it without breaking anything, but if you're in a bit of a hurry or get impatient like I do, things will tend to break. So my advice is get the chrome piece brand new. Oh, another thing is all these little things here, all of these guys, these little steps, come apart from the actual plastic bumper cover itself. So, and like these license plate lights. But one thing I messed up as well, that's why I'm making this video, is that this middle step here goes on before the actual chrome piece does. So don't do that same mistake, or you'll have to take the chrome back off, and like I showed earlier, all those little clips inside can be a real pain. So yes, a bunch of hidden screws. Don't forget to take those guys off too. But these side steps, this one's easy. These side steps are kind of a pain, taking them out, and as well as popping them in. They have this tab here, a tab there, and a tab up here, down there. So there's a lot of tabs to it. If you can get the whole entire thing, that'd be nice. These guys aren't bad. It only has a tab here, a tab there, and then a last tab up there. So both sides there, and those will be paint to match to the vehicle if you need it. But yeah, that's about it. The main thing would also be those 2 bolts on the back side of that. Don't forget those. Thank you for watching the video.